Yo guys, what's going on? Just getting out super quick right now to drain the battery on this Razor because I'm not going to be able to ride it for a few days. I unfortunately don't have a headlight right now, so it's dark. It's a little sketchy, but oh well. It really sucks when I can't ride this thing every day because it definitely thwarts progress, but we're gonna see what we can't do. I'm definitely a total sketchball without a headlight. My apologies to my viewers who might be upset about that, but you know, it is what it is. This is what 5 days of not riding this bike looks like. Oh, you just don't feel nearly as smooth. Whew. Thing is still fun as ever though. All right, let's turn here. I'm gonna have a new seat cover on soon, guys. Shout out Guts Racing. They hooked me up. Gonna do a little install video and a review, so keep an eye out for that. But that'll help my Ninox tremendously. But they're already a lot better now. Figure we can pop down here to the art museum, see what's going on. It's a Sunday night, so probably pretty chill right now. And then cue the presumably Harley sounds? I don't even know. And the dirt bikes. I take it back. Oh, I'm just inhaling two-stroke shit. Woo! So you always run into the pack conveniently in Philly. Yes, sir. Not that fast. He said one hand. I can't do it at that speed. Holy shit, that was close. Fuck that. Alright, I'm done with these guys. But yeah guys, I haven't ridden in like 5 days because I've been busy with work and then I was at the beach with my girlfriend, so just haven't been riding. So I actually just got home from the beach and hopped right on the bike because I missed this thing. Plus I wanted to deplete the battery, like I said. See, this is the issue with the rechargeable headlight, is if you forget to charge it, you're shit out of luck. And I can see, guys, about as much as the GoPro can see, which is effectively nothing until we get around this corner. There we go. Now we got the skyline, some nice lights. We can hit the parking garage real quick. Here we are. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna call it quits now. Just wanted to get a quick ride in, like I said, since I haven't. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 2.5k subs, so appreciate all you. Up to 12k on Insta. Insta shadow banned me for a bit, so hopefully I can post there again soon. But thanks for 12k there, and you know what to do. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you next time. Peace.